What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve my wash and go, the products that I use in the wash and go, and my opinion on how they work for me and how they can potentially work for you. So let's get into this video so I can stop wasting your time. Vamos a comenzar. Okay guys, these are the three products I'm going to be using today. Mani and Tail Conditioner, Rice Water, and Apple Cider Vinegar. So my hair is dirty, but I'm going to rinse it and use Apple Cider Vinegar for my scalp because my hair doesn't like shampoo. So let me explain to you guys why I use apple cider vinegar, because I know some of you are like, oh hell no, that stuff stinks and definitely not putting it in my hair. So when you have product buildup or scalp issues, dandruff, or anything that compromises the health of your scalp and hair, apple cider vinegar helps to remove those things and actually prevent it in the future. Typically, I would leave the apple cider vinegar in my hair for about 30 to 45 minutes just to give it a chance to do its full job. But being as though I'm also incorporating a rice water rinse, I didn't want to have to leave it in for so long. Rice water is good for reducing shedding, and it can also promote hair growth if used on a constant basis. It looks like it feels good, but that rice water is cold. My recommendation would be to use a conditioner that has a lot of slip, because I particularly do finger detangle, and not only can you feel each tangle better with your fingers, if the conditioner has a good slip on it, it'll make it easier for you to retain length and not break hair off unnecessarily. I know I look like somebody's on Francis right now, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So the first product I'm going to be using is a curl maker by Curls. I like this product because it doesn't leave white residue behind, especially when you're adding other products in with it. As you can see, I'm parting my hair into sections so that I can apply product evenly. This part is super important because you don't want to neglect certain parts of your hair because it will definitely show later. This next product is a leave-in conditioner by As I Am, one of my ultimate favorites. I ultimately try to use products that don't leave a white residue because you never know when you might have to go outside right after doing your hair. And this product definitely gets an 8 out of 10. You always want to use an oil to seal in that moisture, and you choose your oil according to your hair type. For example, if you have fine hair, you want to use a lighter oil like olive oil. But if you have thicker hair, maybe your oil is castor oil or coconut oil. But this all goes according to what you're trying to achieve with your hair. Curl Maker by Camille Rose. Let me tell you why this is one of my favorite products in the whole world. It's because it has super slip, it doesn't leave white residue in your hair, and it dries super fast, and it's so light on your hair. It's amazing. While applying this product, it feels like a natural detangler, which is amazing for people with curly hair, knowing that curly hair is prone to tangles. So you guys got the gist of it, right? Okay, let's speed this up. Now that you guys have seen my wash and go, I want you to drop a comment down below and tell me like what other products that you might want to see me use. I'm not brand or product loyal to anyone. If it works for my hair and my hair likes it, I'll use it, and who knows, I might actually find something else that really works for me and I can do like a lot of quick, wash and goes, or when I do a curl refresh, I can do that with whatever product that allows me to do that. I'll probably do a video in the future of me doing a refresh after maybe 3 or 4 days in the middle of a wash and go, and show you guys what it looks like, how you can kind of maintain your wash and go for a little longer, especially if you're a super busy person and you don't always have time to do your hair and make it actually look like something. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys a few different things to, kind of help your day go by a lot easier or your morning. Like sometimes when you just wake up in the morning, you have bed head, because I know a lot of people wear bonnets so that they can protect their curls, but it still gives you that kind of squished down, matted down look, and you have to like add some water, like spray some water on it, shake it out a little bit so that you can go about your day. If it's a warmer season, wetting your hair is not like that big of an issue, but during the colder seasons you want to try to use things that don't require you to have your hair too wet, so you won't damage your hair in any type of way with the cold or catch a cold because your head is wet and you're going outside. So thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to know when I put videos out, exactly when I put videos out, hit the bell. Hit the bell and you'll be able to receive all of my notifications and when I post a video. I'm not exactly sure when and how often I'm going to be posting videos, but when I do figure out my schedule and everything as far as how often I'll be able to do it, either weekly or bi-weekly, I'll be sure to let you guys know. So with that being said, live life, and I'll see you guys later.